Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to downgrade your Power BI application to any other versions. So, at the time of the recording, the latest version is on July 2025. In this article, you can see the versions from June and below. So, if we look at June 2025 update, there would be a download button for this version. Same goes for the May 2025 and so on. In this example, I'll be teaching you how to download the April of 2024 version. So as you can see, there's no links here on telling you on how to download this version. So the only two links you'll need is the one I'm currently at and a Wayback Machine. Both of them are in the description below. So the first thing you'll need to do is to copy the URL of the first page and make sure to cut the link from the tabs Power BI, so only start from the archive. So from there, just copy this, go to the Wayback Machine, and then paste. So again, for the example, I want to download the version of April 2024, and as you can see, there's no downloading here. But if we go back to Wayback Machine and head over to 2024, you can see that there's a snippet saved during the April of 17th. So just open this. Once the page is loaded, just scroll down and look for the version that you want to download. In this example, even though we're currently at the snippet of April 2025, or 2024 rather, there's still no link here. So in any case, you can just go back to the Wayback Machine, and then instead of April, go to the next most saved snapshot on this year, which would be on September 20. Once you're in the snippet of the September page, just scroll down and look for the April of 2024 update, or you can just navigate here. So April of 2024, and here you'll see that there would be links for the download version. Compared to the current one where it's removed. So just click any of the versions you want to download. I recommend downloading the 64-bit. And once you download it, it would show up to your download page. Here, you can see that it's already downloading. So that's it for this video. Thank you.